Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. This is Ju Travel. For today's video, I'm doing another reaction. This time, I'm going to react the dance practice video of BINI with their new song entitled Carrera. So before proceed to my reaction, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like buttons, click the notification bell in case I have a new video uploaded so that you'll be notified. So without any delay, let's proceed to this reaction. So guys, I'm really excited for this one because this is their dance practice. So this video is more on dance choreo compared to the music video. So guys, if you haven't seen my reaction to their official music video of this song Carrera, just check on my channel. I just uploaded that one a few weeks ago. Hello Blooms! So check natin yung dance practice video nila. Galing pa naman itong sumayaw. Tingnan natin yung dance choreo nila. Carrera. Galing talaga na sumayaw sa ang synchronization ba, grabe. Dance dynamic. Grabing galaw nila. Huh? Sabay na sabay talaga. Ang galing talaga, oh. Ganda nila panoorin. Grabe sila. Lalo pa naman silang gumaganda ngayon. Tingnan mo yung galaw nila, guys. Grabe, ang ganda. Ganda pa ng songs nila. Wow guys, nakaka-enjoy panoorin yung BINI. Lalo na pag sumasayaw sila, sabay na sabay. Yung ano nila guys, yung galaw talaga nila, synchro talaga. Gusto ko rin yung ano nila guys, yung dance choreo nila, ang galing, ang ganda nila panoorin, pati yung mga distances nila to each other, ang ano parang calculated ba. So ang galing talaga ng BINI when it comes to dancing and singing also, lalo na pag yung ano nila harmonies, ang grabe, ang ganda. Sana nga lang guys, ano talaga sila ma-promote internationally ba, kasi hindi naman talaga biro yung talent nila, kasi ang galing nila sa pagkanta, sa pagsayaw. At ang gaganda na nila ngayon, lalo silang gumaganda habang tumatagal. Guys, yung ano nila ba, parang diet sila, no? Kasi yung mga katawan nila, parang pare-pareho yung ano nila, structure. Ang ganda nila tingnan talaga. Bilib na bilib talaga ako sa BINI, ang galing lang sumayaw. Magkasing height lang sila ngayon or grabe yung dance dynamic nila din, no? Grabe yung galaw nila. Sabay na sabay talaga. Grabe. Galing talaga sumayaw. Lambot ng mga katawan. Ganda na panoorin talaga eh. Ganda niya panoorin. Sabay na sabay yung mga ano nila yung mga paahan ba? Or legs. Grabe, ang ganda. Saya. Ang galing talaga ng Beanie. Enjoy na enjoy talaga kung manood ng Beanie. Lalo na yung mga dance ano nila, dance choreo or dance practice video. Ang ganda nila tingnan. So, there you go guys, my reaction to the dance practice video of Beanie with their new song entitled Carrera. So, I hope you like and enjoy this reaction. If you have any suggestion or any recommendation for me to react, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Until next time, bye for now!